Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to the world premiere of the Bmw iX3. At BMW, we have always been at the forefront of sustainable mobility. We continue to push forward at a fast pace, always focusing on the needs of our customers. Already back in 2007, we began a new era of sheer electric driving pleasure with Project I. And around 180,000 customers of the fully electric Bmw i3 are proof of this. Today, with our broad range of plug-in hybrids, customers can enjoy electrified driving in all of our model segments. And now we are rapidly expanding our lineup of pure electric vehicles. Just think of the very cool Mini Electric, and now our first pure electric sports activity vehicle, the Bmw iX3. Next year, you can look forward to the Bmw i4 and the iNext. And I promise you, there will be many more to come. Our timing is perfect because customer demand is rising steadily. And with convenient charging solutions at home or at work, we will boost demand even more. At BMW, we think well beyond the vehicle itself. And for us, it's all about making a true difference. And that is why we have decided to implement a completely new and even more comprehensive strategy for sustainability. We will focus on three areas. First, to further strengthen our position as a role model when it comes to sustainable resource-saving production. Second, creating a sustainable CO2 neutral supply chain. And third, the utilization phase of our vehicles concerning CO2 emissions. We will further reduce our CO2 emissions even beyond the EU target. And all of this shows we consistently take a sustainable approach across the entire value chain. And that is what sets us apart. Here are a few examples which underline this. In production, we reduced our CO2 emissions per vehicle by 25% last year compared to 2018. We are sourcing all of our external power from renewable energy. And we are working hand in hand with our suppliers to reduce our CO2 footprint in the supply chain. For example, the production of high-voltage battery is very energy intensive. Therefore, we have signed contracts with all our cell suppliers. They will only use renewable energy to produce our fifth generation battery cells. This will save around 10 million tons of CO2 within the next 10 years. This is roughly the amount of CO2 that a city like Munich, with almost 1.5 million people, emits each year. We're strongly committed to climate protection. And we put words into action. We have greatly reduced the CO2 footprint of our complete vehicle fleet. In 2020 alone, we will cut it by more than 20%. We are achieving this by offering a wider range of electric models and also by increasing the efficiency of our conventional engines. In Europe, we make excellent progress. Next year, 25% of our fleet will be electrified. In 2025, we will reach 33%. And in 2030, 50% of our sales will be electrified. Ultimately, it's all about the power of choice. Our customers will always be able to choose the right drivetrain for their particular needs. The Bmw X3 clearly embodies our strategy of intelligent and flexible vehicle platforms. We can fit this model with any drivetrain we need and produce them on the same production line. Whatever our customers demand, we deliver. And I promise you, all variants will have the same high level of functionality, comfort, and quality. I will show you how this works with the very popular Bmw X3. Let's take a look. Customers can choose from a range of drivetrains, such as the highly efficient diesel engines with 48-volt mild hybrid support. This is an important technology for customers who drive longer distances. And of course, they fulfill the highest regulatory standards of real driving emissions. We also offer the X3 with petrol engines in 4 different performance levels, right up to the sporty X3M. With the new particle filters and 48-volt support, they are the cleanest conventional engines we've ever built. The X3 is also available as a plug-in hybrid, making it a great choice for commuters who desire very low CO2 footprint. And today, we are proud to present the Bmw iX3, our first fully electric sports activity vehicle. It is also our first model to feature self-developed and self-produced Gen 5 electric drivetrains. It is highly integrated, without any rare earth materials, and extremely efficient. The cobalt and lithium we use originates from only trusted suppliers. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's take a look. Please enjoy the world premiere of the Bmw iX3. And here it is, the fully electric Bmw iX3. This car has taken efficient dynamics to the next level. When we engineered this vehicle, our focus was on achieving an attractive range. And at the same time, we are setting the benchmark in terms of efficiency. The iX3 offers a range of more than 500 kilometers in the new European driving cycle and 460 kilometers according to WLTP. And of course, it drives like a real BMW. This creates a sweet spot for our customers. The balance of low energy consumption and 150 kilowatt fast charging is perfect for every distance and also for long journeys. Our advanced battery technology makes all of this possible. For us, it's always about simplifying our customers' lives. And that is why we created Bmw Charging. In Europe, that means access to well over 150,000 charging points, and worldwide, at least double that amount. This is the most comprehensive charging network available. And we have also included a new app that recommends charging stops on long routes, showing the estimated charging time required. Bmw Charging is one of the many digital innovations that we have developed for our customers. The Bmw iX3 features our latest Bmw operating system 7. This enables secure and convenient over-the-air updates. This means your system is always up to date. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about sound. Together with one of the world's most famous music composers, Hans Zimmer, we created the Bmw iconic sounds for our electric vehicles. Just press the button and you will be surrounded by by the full emotional thrill of electromobility. What a sound! I really like it. And you can look forward to even more BMW iconic sounds in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, at BMW, we are fully committed to climate protection and sustainable mobility. Our aspiration is to provide sustainable driving pleasure for our customers, no matter where they are around the world. And I promise you, there will be many more exciting emission-free vehicles to come. So stay tuned. Thank you for joining us today. And please enjoy some more pictures of the Bmw iX3.